Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we're here out by Ferry, which is the Mandela Highway. Now 6 lanes, and this is the 876 commercial development out by Ferry. This was once wasteland and swamp and very smelly and very mosquito-y, but now we have 1, 2, 3 multiple developments going up, so that's good. So we're going to take a update look on that construction over there. So that's what we're going to take a look on today. So we have Nestle way over that side. This is a storage location for equipment and material. We have 2939, that is a warehouse complex with various tenants. One of the tenants is Fontana, so they use it for extra storage. They also have an electrical bike company, Elizo or Eleso, there as well. You have Tropical Battery down that side, their main office, and also ATL have a car storage down there as well. What I'll do, if it's the first you're seeing this development, I'll put the link for one of my drone video of this development in the comments, so that you guys can see an aerial view and also where this development is coming from as well. So just showing you guys a glimpse of the area. A lot of big lots still available. They are for sale. Some of them 1.5 million US dollar. You know, so you buy it, you build your warehouse, you build your whatever company you want. So a lot of the lots are still for sale. We have one down there. Goes to Tropical that they have cleared the area, but I'm not sure what's going there yet. Also covered this warehouse when they were building it. I'll probably put the video for that one. We have some Tankwell Metal mega warehouse down there. They store steel, cement, other material. And you have some other warehouse like Derman Trading down there as well. Then you have those mansions up in the hill. Alright, so this new construction is beside Iterum. Iterum is a call center, also known as a BPO. Not sure what's coming at this new development yet, but my best guess it's gonna be a mixed-use building with office and warehouse based on how I see it's being designed. So you can rent a warehouse space in this one if you don't need an entire warehouse. So just a quick review on this mega development, just showing you guys what's happening and just giving you guys an update on this construction beside Iterum. So stay tuned, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Apologies for the heavy wind noise, but enjoy some natural sounds.